Hey guys, it's Reagan from Redeeming Productivity. Listen, I love audiobooks. I love to listen to them when I'm on the go, working out, walking, driving the car. I love them. The problem is not every book is available as an audiobook. But every book, just about, is available as a Kindle book. And I want to show you today how you can listen to any Kindle book. You can have it read to you by your phone while you're on the go, no matter what you're doing. And it's actually really easy. So you might find a lot of ways about how to do this around the internet, but a lot of them involve voice to speech or using the accessibility features on your iPhone. Well, this one will work on iPhone, Android, anything, and it's actually really stupidly easy. It involves using Amazon Alexa. You say, Reagan, I don't have an Amazon Alexa. I don't have an Echo or an Echo Dot or any of those things. Well, you don't actually need one of those. All you have to do is download the Alexa app on your phone. Then just open it up and you can tell it by pressing the blue button, the Alexa button, and you just say, Alexa, play Kindle book, and then give it the title. And she will just start reading that book to you.
Imagining a time when my spouse
and that'll work on your phone, and you can, with voice commands, you can say Alexa pause, Alexa stop, Alexa resume. You can do Alexa skip ahead, Alexa skip back. And one of my favorite commands with Alexa is you can say, Alexa, read faster or read slower. And she will adjust the speed at which she is reading the Kindle book, which is really awesome. The other thing is maybe you don't want to talk to yourself when you're out in public. That's one of the annoying things about using Alexa on your phone. Well, you don't actually have to pause and play and all that. There are controls that'll pop up and you can hit pause or play. And these even work while you're listening to it when you're on the iPhone lock screen. Also, if you're looking for books to play from your Kindle library, you can just open up the Alexa app and go to the play menu down at the bottom, and then scroll down and you'll see your Kindle library. And you can just select any of those books and hit play on it and it will start reading it there. So you don't even have to talk to the Alexa thing to use it. The really cool thing about this too, and this is just like a bonus, is since it's all within Amazon's ecosystem, this method of listening to the Kindle books, you can kind of consume books in a hybrid way. So for example, I've been reading On Walden Pond and I have been listening to it some of the time, and other times I'm actually reading it on my Kindle device or on my phone. But Kindle's Whispersync technology will remember my spot and will actually pick up wherever I left off, whether I was listening or whether I was reading it. Well, that's it. That's just a simple tip. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, if you're interested in more videos like this, go ahead and hit subscribe and click the notification bell. And you can find more things from me from Redeeming Productivity, where I have a blog and a podcast, redeemingproductivity.com. And our focus is on helping Christians get more done and getting it done like Christians.